Hey guys, welcome back to Simply at Home. In today's video, we are going to be looking at how we can laminate at home even without a lamination machine, and how such lamination can be done for usage of PEX. PEX is Picture Exchange Communication System, which we will see further in this video. We will also discuss cost factor, which is better, doing it at home or getting it done outside, and also the cost variant of investing in a lamination machine, lamination sheets, and most important thing right now that we'll be using in this video is, in lieu of lamination machine, would be an iron box, a comparison of that cost as well. And another most important thing people miss out is it worth doing it at home versus outside, is time. So these are the three primary things that we are going to be, four primary things that we are going to look into this video. So let's dive in. So what we will need first is, to do it at home, is these kind of a printout or sheets. These are the 5 rupee stickers that we are using right now in this video. We will need a lamination sheet for sure, and instead of a lamination machine, I'm going to be using an iron box. Most of you would have heard using the iron box at home. So since these are those 5 rupees stickers that I'm using for making PEX, they are very flimsy, so I'm sticking it on a little cardboard kind of a paper to cut them out and to make PEX. If it's a single A4 sheet that you want to laminate, or lamination pouches that you want to make, you just need to take a printout. You can laminate your photograph, anything is fine. So as you see in the video, you can scroll back to see how I have fitted this into the lamination sheet. So iron box, lamination sheet, you will need scissors in case of PEX, and of course cotton sheets. You need to keep a base of cotton sheets. You can use your bedspreads. Ensure it is not having any embroidery because it needs to be flat surfaced, and or a cotton dupatta to place it on the lamination sheet and to laminate them with the iron box. Now, coming to the cost factor. Before that, let me clarify the time factor. This one that I'm doing right now and sharing is for PEX usage. We will need multiple such small pictures and stuff. So doing this at home is better off, because we will need different combinations. We can cut out different combination of pictures. It could be from magazines. You can get creative. So such kind of multiple pictures in one A4 sheet and cutting it and giving it to you is something I don't think an lamination center will do. Instead, they have those smaller laminations which they will do, which will cost you, let's say this one has about 1 2 3 4 into 3, around, let's say even 10 for easy mathematics. There are 10 pictures I'm going to cut out of this one lamination sheet. They will do it separately as 10 into 20. You will land up spending around 200 Indian currency rupees. Now this, we're going to be doing it with just one lamination sheet. This one lamination sheet in a local stationery shop costed me around 10 rupees as a sheet. We will also discuss how much it will. No, let me just clarify that. So if you're going to be buying it in bulk from Amazon or in any wholesale market, it comes with a sheet of 100 lamination sheets at a discounted rate, which will be around 500 or 600 rupees. So per sheet will cost you only 5 rupees at the maximum. So if you're going to be doing multiple laminations, I think that is more economical to do it at home. So having spoken about the economies and the cost of the lamination sheet, let's also talk about the lamination machine. I think the lamination machine costs somewhere around 3,000 to 4,000 Indian currency rupees, and it goes beyond. While iron box also costs somewhere around 300 or 400 rupees and also goes in thousands. So which is more economical? If you already have an iron box, I don't think you need to invest in a lamination machine, so the cost is cut down there. Okay, most important thing now is the cost of time. So all these things, if you're going to be doing it at home, will take your time and energy, no doubt, but you know what you want out of this. If you're going to be doing occasional one-off laminations, I don't think this video is for you. You can suggest this to others who need to, do multiple laminations, such as teachers, people who are working with children, who need this for visual schedules, for children under spectrum whose understanding is only through vision. So this will be more useful to be done as a DIY at home. So otherwise, I would suggest go to a lamination center and get it done, your occasional one. So how have we done this is we have cut this, pasted these pictures. One end of the lamination sheet will come as 2 pages. One end will be automatically sealed. So we will start the iron box from that side of the sealed part of the lamination sheet, and we'll go downwards. So slowly we'll need to be doing it, and you can open and keep checking the other end of the lamination sheet if it's actually sealed. You have to do it gradually because there should not be any air bubbles, because we are going to cut them into further small pieces. In this case, as it is for pegs. If you're just going to make one single lamination sheet, here and there bubbles, that's okay. So if you see here, now it's all set. You need to leave it aside for a few minutes to cool down before you cut and make pegs out of it. What is the other thing that I have done from pegs perspective is added a Velcro. I will leave in the description box below the Amazon link of a self-adhesive Velcros that you get. What I have tried in this particular video is from the local store, Fevikwik or Fevigum. It really didn't work. Only those self-adhesive Velcros work, so that it can be stuck and removed and repurposed for and for that sound also, children will be keen, to sit and understand the visual schedule. So this particular thing which I tried sticking, it actually didn't work on the lamination sheet. Please go ahead on the self-adhesive one, which I will leave in the description box below. So I hope this video was useful. There are a lot of such videos available, I'm sure, because this was shared to me as an idea by another parent on how to make your own lamination sheets at home. One of them suggested me to invest in a printer and a lamination machine, and the other one suggested this iron box. So the iron box already was sleeping at home and I started using it. So after about 2-3 attempts, since it came out successful, I have invested in a bulk lamination sheet, and that's why I'm saying the cost varies somewhere between 5 or 6 rupees per sheet. Signing off, this is Ramya, Simply at Home. Stay safe. Bye-bye.